product specification. WorkQuest is a social project based on the blockchain to enable the finding of work and solving any types of tasks from an employer perspective. For instance, when you are looking for a job, a work request will help you to find a task, role, or job in your current location. The service assumes the guaranteed obligation for performance of work and receive a deposit of funds into their account. The WorkQuest platform has a system of rating and review and a list of completed requests with assist members to easily find honest people and the best specialists for that task or role. The main goal for WorkQuest is to simplify the interaction between the employer and the employee, thereby aiding the hiring of millions of people to improve their financial situation and standard of living. This will also ultimately provide a solution to the problem of finding reliable professionals across all industries, both on a global scale, and create a progressive digital economy built on the principle of trust, multiple respects, and the well-being of its participants. WorkQuest will run its blockchains which will enable it to have a smart contract system that will allow for binding agreement between two parties. The WorkQuest product will allow users to create any necessary request, start from walking a dog to nanny service, to finding a temporary or even permanent security job in real times. A smart contract is included between the worker and the employer with the details and nature of the task or job. The platform has a system of rating and comments for reviewing both employees and employer, where all works that has been completed are visible on the user interface. This will help other parties involved to screen and choose the right person to provide their services and have increased the adoption of cryptocurrency in all existing industries. The platform also drastically reduces the cost of recruiting employees for companies, registering for creating a profile and publishing the work is free, a vast difference from the user headhunting fees in the legacy recruitment sector. Integrating DeFi and recruitment, global end-to-end job marketplace powered to smart contracts. Get a job and find the right executive, tackling skills mismatch, fragmentation, and data vulnerability. Smart matching, just use data point to propose cost-effective executors and job checklists. Escrow, no intermediaries, employer-worker agreement run on smart contracts, distributed data storage and encryptions. Your data is encrypted but stored in public blockchain. WorkQuest platform architecture. WorkQuest is the online marketplace and decentralized payment provider connecting employers with employees anywhere in the world, powered by smart contracts, governed by DAO. WorkQuest will have mobile application making available working anywhere and using out WorkNet's blockchain and wallet. The platform incentivizes employers and employees to deal honestly and prudently using its rating system, with other fixed part stored in a blockchain. A platform acts as a facilitator or transaction between employer and the employee. Different DeFi products available for platform participants, such as savings, retirement, and disability insurance. More information. Introducing WorkQuest DAO, community governed. All management functions will be transferred to the community within the next 3 years. WorkQuest DAO mission: loose, grassroots, transparent, open, and fully global labor market. Global. To participate in platform governance, any user can buy WQT tokens from the market. Transparent. All governance features and products will be published openly to ensure that everyone has access to all the information. Secure and reliable. WorkNet will be used to create and manage the DAO, transact with WUSD dollar and earn with WQT dollar. WQT management of WorkQuest DAO and collateral for WUSD used for revenue programs and available for liquidity mining. WorkQuest DAO management. WorkQuest revenue programs, liquidity mining, paid service on WorkQuest, research collateral fund, WUSD, algorithmic stablecoin issued when the smart contract between the employer and employee is created. Payment between employer and employees, P2P insurance, withdrawal to the PAN card, exchange, retirement saving program.